Hey there, mechanics. Today we're diving into the world of fan clutches. Your fan clutch failed? No worries. But now comes the big question. Should you rebuild it yourself or buy a brand new one? Let's break it down. First off, why did your fan clutch fail? There are three main types of failures. Number one, friction failure. This happens when the material wears down and can't engage anymore. It could be long-term wear or an issue like an air leak. If it's friction failure, both rebuilding and replacing are on the table. Number two, pulley bearing failure. This is similar. Wear and tear or an underlying issue like heat from slipping friction material. If the bearings didn't damage the shaft, you can still rebuild or replace. Number three, catastrophic failure. If your pulley is cracked or chipped, the shaft is worn, or the mounting bracket is damaged, you have no choice but to replace it. No rebuild kit is going to save you here. Alright, let's talk rebuilding. Rebuild kits are cost effective. A new fan clutch can set you back up to $2,000. Remens are cheaper, but still more than a rebuild kit. With some effort, you can rebuild your fan clutch to meet or even exceed OEM standards and save some cash. Now, you might think rebuilding is a massive hassle. Honestly, it's not too bad. With some hands-on effort and a bit of know-how, it's pretty straightforward. Another plus, availability. Most fan clutches fall into a few categories, and a single rebuild kit can cover a lot of them. Keep a few kits on hand and you're ready to rebuild most fan clutches out there. No waiting for factory parts, just rebuild and get back to work. Pros of rebuilding: versatility, cost effectiveness, and instant availability if you've got the kit. Cons: possible installation errors and more hands-on time. Now, when might you want to replace instead of rebuild? If your fan clutch is totally shot, pulley shaft worn, pulley broken, you've got to replace it. Or maybe you just don't have the time to rebuild. Buying a new assembly means just taking the old one off and bolting the new one on. Simple! Plus, it's factory built by pros, no chance of installation errors. The downside, it's pricey and might not be available locally. You might have to wait for it to ship, leading to some downtime. Pros of replacing: manufacturer does the work. Fast installation, no errors. Cons: more expensive and delayed availability. So which is right for you? It depends on your situation and budget. If you have the time and want to save money, go for the rebuild. If you need it done fast and right, replacing might be your best bet. Alright, that's it for today, folks. Hope this helps you make the best choice for your fan clutch fix. Thanks for watching and keep those engines running smooth. Catch you next time.